Our whole shop, it's a small group, there's only 6 of us including part-timers. We have kind of a different culture. We don't have people overselling, upselling things. It's always rooted in what's right. People have needs and we listen to them. A customer may bring in a car and say, somebody else told me we needed to do this. And I say, maybe, let's look at that. And we look and see, and very often, every week, we find where people don't need what somebody else told them. Just because someone told you you needed something doesn't mean that you do. I believe that it's human nature for people to take the easy way out and then justify their actions. But with that in mind, if you set your expectations high enough, you never have to fear for settling for less than honorable actions. You end up finding yourself an example, a mentor to your staff, to their families, to the community. Winning this award means that everything that we've been doing these 17 years, in our hearts we believe them to be the right thing for the community and for the internal customer. The truth is our whole staff works very hard to do what's right, and to get that kind of recognition from an organization like the Better Business Bureau would mean so much to a bunch of car guys.